Hola Amigees!
Welcome to our channel.
If you're new here, we are Chase and Maria Jose.
We've been traveling since 2018 in a few different sized rigs, and we've been in our van now for almost 9 months.
Yes.
We think 360 videos and VR videos are really neat, so we decided that we wanted to bring you on a little bit of our day inside of our van. If you want something a little bit more in-depth,
yes, you can check out our van tour, and also if you're curious of how much it costs to build this van, there's a video about that too. But today it's going to be a more simple video. You hang out your own pace. How do they watch the video, Chase?
So if you're on a phone or a tablet, just move it around. Do it right now. It's pretty cool. Up and down and left and right. If you're on your TV, just use your remote and the directional arrows. So left and right will take you left and right in the video. Up and down will take you up and down in the video. And if you're on a laptop, just use the trackpad or the directional arrow keys. And same on a computer, you can use your mouse to click and drag, or the directional arrow keys on your keyboard as well.
You can also pause and take your own time checking out the van.
So if there's something you want to see a little bit more in depth, or you want to take a little bit more time to view it, just pause, click around. We're just going to kind of be doing our thing in the meantime. Yes. And you're hanging out with us.
Yes. We'll see you next Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.